Welcome to our comparison of two powerful desktop processors, the Intel Core i9-12900K and the AMD Ryzen 5 7600X. Today, we'll dive into their specifications, performance metrics, and overall value to help you decide which CPU is the right choice for your needs. Whether you're a gamer, content creator, or just looking for a reliable processor for everyday tasks, this video will provide you with the insights you need. The Intel Core i9-12900K boasts an impressive 16 cores, consisting of 8 performance cores and 8 efficient cores, making it a powerhouse for multitasking and demanding applications. In contrast, the AMD Ryzen 5 7600X features 6 cores and 12 threads. While the Ryzen 5 offers solid performance for gaming and general use, it simply cannot match the i9-12900K's core count, which translates to better performance in heavily threaded workloads. This difference can significantly impact tasks such as video editing, 3D rendering, and gaming at high settings. When it comes to pricing, the Intel Core i9-12900K is positioned at a premium price point of $707, reflecting its high-end performance capabilities. On the other hand, the AMD Ryzen 5 7600X is much more budget-friendly, priced at $299. This significant price difference makes the Ryzen 5 an attractive option for gamers and users looking for a balance between performance and cost. While the i9-12900K offers superior performance, the Ryzen 5 7600X provides excellent value for those who don't need the absolute best. In terms of performance, the Intel Core i9-12900K excels with its high clock speeds, reaching up to 5.2 GHz, and a large 30 MB cache, making it ideal for gaming and multitasking. The integrated Intel UHD graphics 770 also enhances its capabilities for casual gaming. Conversely, the AMD Ryzen 5 7600X, with a boost clock of up to 5.3 GHz and a total cache of 38 MB, offers impressive performance for its price, especially in gaming scenarios. However, it lacks the same level of power as the i9-12900K in demanding applications. Ultimately, the choice between these two processors will depend on your specific needs and budget. In conclusion, both the Intel Core i9-12900K and the AMD Ryzen 5 7600X are excellent processors in their own right. The i9-12900K is a top-tier choice for those who demand the best performance and are willing to pay a premium for it. Meanwhile, the Ryzen 5 7600X offers great value and is a fantastic option for budget-conscious gamers and users. We hope this comparison has helped you make an informed decision. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.